How do you enjoy your on-the-go meals safely and sustainably? Introducing Lusty Cutlery, the compact 5-in-1 utensil set for the environmentally conscious. In our current environment, we have all significantly changed our hygiene practices. You sanitize your hands, so why wouldn't you sanitize your space around you, especially when you eat? Every Lusty Cutlery kit comes with a foldable titanium spoon, fork, knife, a pair of collapsible chopsticks, and a mini portable UVC sanitizer. Powered by your phone or a power bank, the mini portable UVC sanitizer delivers UVC light wavelengths of 270 to 280 nanometers, sterilizing your area of 99.9% of bacteria in 5 to 10 seconds. Even without your Lusty Cutlery, you can still use the mini portable UVC light to sanitize dubious elevator buttons, your computer, credit cards, and more. Its quick-release keychain attachment allows you to keep it on hand whenever, wherever. The mini portable UVC sanitizer is compatible with Apple Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB ports. The Lusty Cutlery kit is conveniently compact and weighs less than a small apple. Lusty Cutlery is made from 100% medical-grade titanium, making it sturdy and resistant to corrosion. It's lightweight like aluminum, but strong like steel. And this durable material means it's reusable and environmentally friendly. 50% of all plastic produced is for single-use purposes, used once, then thrown away. 10 million tons of those plastics are dumped into our oceans every year, meaning that every year 1 million marine animals are killed by that plastic pollution. By bringing Lusty along on your daily routine, you can help keep our oceans plastic-free as well as keeping yourself safe from potentially harmful bacteria. How many times have you gone to a restaurant and had to ask for a new fork because the one there was dirty? Proper sanitization and handling continue to be a huge factor in preventing cross-contamination of food and dishware at food service establishments. The utensils are dishwasher safe, and the aluminum, tin, and foam are safe to hand wash, so you always know that you have reliably clean utensils. No metal taste, no batteries, no waste. Say no to plastic and germs. Say yes to Lusty. With the help of our wonderful backers, we have had 2 successful campaigns and have gotten tons of positive feedback. We're now looking forward to bringing Lusty Cutlery to life with your support. Visit our campaign on Kickstarter for more information. Help us save our planet and keep each other safe.